Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag is here to change that forever. This tiny tracking device gives you ultimate peace of mind, making it one of the best electronics you can buy in 2025. Its standout feature, precision finding, uses ultra-wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with incredible accuracy right on your iPhone. Imagine a digital, hot and cold game but with exact directions. No more frantic searching under the couch. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just a one-tap process with your iPhone, and you're ready to track in seconds. Plus, with IP67 water and dust resistance, these durable trackers can handle splashes, drops, and everyday adventures without a hitch. What truly sets AirTag apart is its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem, leveraging millions of Apple devices worldwide to help locate your lost items. Whether you're looking for a reliable key finder, baggage tracker for travel, or a way to keep tabs on your pet's collar, the AirTag is absolutely worth buying. Ready to upgrade your peace of mind? Find the best deals and grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today via the Amazon link in our description. This isn't just a gadget, it's an essential item for anyone who values their belongings, making it our top recommendation for 2025.